Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, open Gallery app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now click on this icon, the square one, located at the top right corner. As you can see, all of those photos were successfully selected. In order to delete them, click on this bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!